Sanibonani, ninjani? Siyaphila. Nomvula, ngicela nje ukuthi welcome on the show. Today sizokhuluma ngeGenesis 1 verse 3 when God said, "Let there be light." Then there was light. So the light will differentiate between bad and good, evil and bad. Okay, and it will separate from light and to darkness. So when God said, "Let there be light," He wanted us to see the difference between doing good and doing bad. That's why Apostle Paul said, when you have the Holy Spirit, you have to have the fruits. You must produce fruit. With the Holy Spirit, you have to produce fruit. There's no way that you can have the Holy Spirit in you, but there are no fruits. So the fruits are there to show if you've got a good tree or you've got a bad tree. Because if you've got a good tree in you, which is the Holy Spirit, it's impossible to produce rotten fruits. But if you've got the bad spirit in you, it's also impossible to produce good fruits. You can only produce according to the tree that you have in you, which is the Holy Spirit. So the fruit that Paul mentioned, they are in Galatians 5 verse 22, which is joy, peace, love, self-control, long-suffering, gentleness, faith, meekness, and goodness. Those are the fruits that you are supposed to be producing when you've got the Holy Spirit, which was there in Genesis 1 verse 2. That's why there was light. The light is from the Holy Spirit. That means if you've got the light, then you can differentiate between good and bad. And Paul is giving us the fruit that you will have so that you know that you are working according to the light of God. Because you cannot be working in the light of God but not seeing the good fruits that are there, because the light will show you the fruits that you are producing from the Holy Spirit. That's what the light is for, so that you will be able to differentiate between bad and good. So the only way to see that you are producing good fruits from the Holy Spirit is by you recognizing them. How do you recognize them? Love, giving joy, peace, gentleness, faithfulness, kindness, having self-control. Those are the fruit that Paul is talking about. So to have them in you, these fruit, you can only have them if you've got the Holy Spirit, not by human effort. You won't be able to do them by yourself. It's not easy. You can't. It's not possible. You need the Holy Spirit to assist you so that you can produce these fruits. So we'll start explaining them further one by one, starting with love. But we'll do that on our next video. Thank you very much. Have the Holy Spirit in you. Show those fruits from the Holy Spirit. Don't try to do them by yourself. You won't be able. But with the love of God within you, He's the one who will assist you. Because whatever He brings to you, it does not end. He always brings. The more you ask for His love to dwell in you so that you can show the fruits from Him, the more He will give. It will be easy for you to show that love, kindness, peace, joy, faithfulness, gentleness, meekness, and long suffering. You can only produce those fruits only if you've got the Holy Spirit in you. Thank you very much for your time, and your next